I think I also just really enjoyed the process, which is the same process as what I do in the archives, right, of getting these boxes of material and going through them and unpacking them and hearing people's stories and their life stories, and you know, being in some sense a repository of that information that people don't always have a place for, and kind of finding places for that. So I guess those are the things that really excite me, and I think that's part of why I'm also really interested in doing theatrical productions that draw upon archival material and draw upon Yiddish material, because it gives it a home, and an audience and a place and a voice. And I think that's, I just find that really powerful and really exciting work.